Hi viewers, morning everyone. So welcome to the Sri Hari Tricks. So this channel says I hope everyone is watching this. So please watch and subscribe it and I would learn that everything what I'm saying that listen properly and the concentration on subject and then listen and you have to follow it. Why? Because at lockdowns many students are in this many not 100% of all the members in the online classes only. 50% not interest, 50% interest, 50% different. Whatever it may be, choice is yours. But total concentration. We don't think about the government. Many members are saying that government will decrease, government will cancel some chapters. Don't think like that. If they will reduce or not reduce or full portion or whatever it may be, this is the most important topics in mathematics that very useful in the intermediate first year. If you leave the any chapter, you cannot understand the mathematics in the intermediate first year. These are basics. So most important basics are there. Actually, the mathematics also in the intermediate first year, 1A, 1B. The two parts, two textbook divided. First part is that matrices. There is the matrices are there. Matrices means and those who are studying 10th class state syllabus don't know about the matrices. What is the matrices? The square. Some elements are arranged in the rectangular or square method that arranged in the arrow is known as the matrices. So actually the intermediate first year only there. So intermediate second year, partial fractions. Partial fractions and these are types of statistics are there. That's why basics, these are all the chapters are very important. Don't think first chapter will not come, second chapter will not come. Yes, sets. It's a word functions. It's a basics of the functions. That's why what is a set? Set is the value defined collection of things or object. It is the basics of intermediate knowledge. So that's why sets also can learn. 10th class textbook chapter 1 is there. That is the real number. So in this real number, what is meant by real number? Rational and irrational number is known as real number. Okay. Then what is rational and irrational number? The number which can be written in the p by q form is a rational number. The number which cannot be written in the p by q form is a irrational number. Rational and irrational is known as real numbers. There is a CF and CM and 4.1.1, 1.1. So bust 1.4 is very important. What is that? Show that root 2 is an irrational number, show that root 3 is an irrational number. So like this most important. After this 1.5 logarithms are there. That's the most important of logarithms is basics of this. So intermediate, so logarithms that's why. What is the logarithms and the values are there? Log x plus log y, log x right. Log x by y, log x minus log y. So addition and multiplication some formulas. Depend upon formulas you can solve the sums. Chapter 1 important, chapter 2 also important, chapter 3 also. So like this for all the chapters are very important. Why? Because equations, quad equations or something. That's why I don't think that the every student it's a deleted and maybe that's the government will delete it, will wait. Don't think it's a basics of intermediate. That's why everyone should learn all the chapters. So don't think that it is chapter. But similar triangles is the most important one of the topic in the intermediate basics. So I already explained all the similar triangles. So and after similar triangles, statistics also I told that we was the important chapters and some also is there, but important chapters. The basics most important. That's why everyone should learn. Don't think that deleting or not deleting or say like that. If you learn properly about all the chapters, intermediate very easy. After intermediate, the BTech or whatever will be mathematics very easy. So that's it. One thing, one more. Man, practice makes man perfect. Practice makes man perfect. Only proverb is there. So follow everyone. Mathematics always practice. Practice. Then you will get it. 100% is very. So some members are the three types of different students are there in the class. One person is listening and observing. Listening and grasping power. They have the more grasping power. Listening and observing. They did not study at home. They will go to home and they will play something, but they have the knowledge and they'll apply some formulas and they'll get. But other students, one person is always listening and reading by hearting. But this person is thinking, I'm not getting. I'm not getting full marks, that boy is getting. That is grasping IQ levels, different IQ levels are there. So that's why every student of IQ suggestions, early morning IQ level is better than the evening IQ level. Every human body has like this. That's why my suggestion for students is early morning should wake up and early morning to read and to practice math, then you will get 100%. Remember. So IQ level always help you the settlement. That's why wake up early morning and 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, the 4 and practice the maths, then you will get 100% success confirm. So that's why some by heart some other persons are suppose not thinking, not observing, not reading. Maths is very difficult, like a table is a very danger. So don't feel like this. Maths also one of the subject and easy subject, scoring subject. which is the score is a bit mathematics. So that's why everyone should practice read the formulas depending upon formulas all the sums. That's why formulas tables by heart 100% success. Okay. Thank you very much.